Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Bluelab's pH calibration solution is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for anyone serious about accurate water quality testing. Whether you're a seasoned aquarist, a diligent gardener, or a professional in environmental science, ensuring your pH meter is perfectly calibrated is paramount for reliable results and the health of your aquatic life or plants. Number 5. Bluelab KCl Storage Solution for pH Probes and Pens. Keep your pH probes and pens in optimal condition. Proper storage and hydration are key to maintaining their accuracy and longevity. By using this solution for storage, you ensure your device is always ready for precise pH up and down adjustments. Get accurate readings every time. This solution is specifically formulated for Bluelab pH pens and probes, including their soil variants. It's the perfect companion for your Bluelab testing equipment. Pair this with Bluelab's TDS meters and other hydroponic tools for comprehensive garden nutrient monitoring. Achieve optimal growth in both water and soil. Each bottle contains 120 milliliters of high-quality storage solution. Simple instructions are conveniently located on the bottle's label for easy use. From Bluelab, the industry leader in hydroponic testing equipment. This solution is built with the needs of growers in mind, ensuring reliable performance. What we like. This solution is designed to keep your pH probes and pens hydrated and ready for use. It's perfect for anyone looking to maintain the longevity and accuracy of their Bluelab pH testing equipment. If you want to ensure your pH meter is always performing at its best between uses, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The solution is accurate and easy to use, making calibration straightforward. It comes in a convenient bottle that dispenses easily, preventing spills. The calibration solution is stable and has a long shelf life, ensuring consistent results over time. Number 4. Bluelab pH 4.0 plus 7.0 Calibration Solution Kit. Ensure your pH pen delivers precise measurements every time. Regular calibration maintains reliability, crucial for plant, swimmer, or aquatic life health. Trust in solutions that meet the highest standards, traceable to NIST. This kit includes essential pH 4 and 7 levels for broad instrument calibration. Keep your pH meter performing optimally for longer. Consistent calibration is key to maintaining accuracy in hydroponics, aquariums, pools, and gardens. Get started right away with our ready-to-use solutions. They also boast a long shelf life, meaning fewer replacements are needed. Simply clean and turn on your probe, then immerse it in the pH 7.0 solution. Rinse, calibrate to pH 4, and confirm success. Recalibrate if needed. What we like. This kit provides the essential pH 4.0 and 7.0 calibration solutions for reliable measurements. It's ideal for users who need to maintain precise pH levels for plant health, aquariums, or pools. If you require NIST traceable accuracy and a long-lasting solution for regular calibration, this set is a great option. What people say. This calibration solution is essential for maintaining the accuracy of your pH meter. The solution is clearly labeled and easy to use, ensuring precise calibration every time. Bluelab provides a reliable and stable calibration solution that holds its accuracy over time. Number 3. Bluelab CAREKITPH pH Probe Care Kit. Keep your pH probes in optimal condition with our specialized care kit. It's designed for all your pH testing needs, ensuring accurate readings every time. Proper maintenance is crucial for extending the life of your probes. Regular hydration in the provided solution ensures they remain accurate and reliable for longer. Ensure the accuracy of your pH up and down measurements. This kit helps maintain probe performance, which is key for successful hydroponic systems and indoor growing. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for thorough probe cleaning. From calibration solutions to specialized brushes, we've got your testing tools covered. Trust in the quality and expertise of Bluelab, the industry leader in hydroponic testing equipment. Our products are built by growers, for growers, ensuring reliability and performance. The kit comes with convenient single-use sachets for calibration and storage solutions. It also includes cups and brushes for a simple and effective cleaning process. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers everything you need for thorough pH probe maintenance. It's perfect for growers and hobbyists who want to ensure their pH meters are not only calibrated but also clean and properly stored. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for extending probe life and maintaining accuracy, this care kit is highly recommended. What people say. This calibration solution is essential for ensuring the accuracy of your pH meter. The solution is clearly labeled and easy to use, making the calibration process straightforward. Maintaining accurate pH readings is crucial for many applications, and this solution provides reliable results. Number 2. Bluelab pH and EC Calibration Solutions. Keep your pH and EC meters performing at their best. Regular calibration ensures consistent and reliable measurements for optimal plant health. This set includes solutions for both pH and EC calibration. Use them to fully calibrate and verify your meters, guaranteeing dependable results. Inaccurate readings can harm your plants and disrupt nutrient balance. Proper calibration with these solutions prevents such issues, ensuring water quality too. After cleaning your probes, use these solutions to confirm their performance. This ensures your meters are functioning correctly every time you need them. Save time and avoid errors with our premixed solutions. Simply pour and test for a quick, hassle-free calibration process. Each solution comes in a 500 ml bottle, perfect for routine maintenance and long-term use. You'll have enough for multiple calibrations. What we like. This set offers a complete calibration solution for both pH and EC ppm meters. It's designed for users who need to ensure consistent and reliable measurements for hydroponics, nutrient balance, and water quality. If you appreciate the convenience of premixed solutions and want to verify the performance of multiple meter types, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The solution is accurate and reliable for calibrating my pH meter. Easy to use and store, comes in a convenient bottle. The calibration solution maintains its stability over time, ensuring consistent readings. Number 1. Bluelab Calibration Solution Set. Keep your meters performing at their best with our essential calibration solutions. Achieve consistent and reliable measurements every time. This set includes everything you need to fully calibrate and verify your pH and EC ppm meters. Ensure your readings are accurate for optimal plant health. Regular calibration is key to preventing inaccurate readings. Protect your plants by maintaining the correct nutrient balance and water quality. Confirm your probe is working correctly after cleaning. These solutions ensure your meters deliver dependable results, giving you confidence in your measurements. Each solution comes in a 250 ml bottle, perfect for routine maintenance. Enjoy long-term use and multiple calibrations with this convenient set. What we like. This set provides essential pH and EC calibration solutions in a convenient 250 ml size. It's ideal for those who perform routine maintenance and require dependable results for their hydroponic systems or water quality testing. If you need accurate calibration for both pH and EC meters and prefer a smaller, manageable bottle size for frequent use, this set is a practical option. What people say. The calibration solution is accurate and reliable, ensuring precise readings from my pH meter. It's easy to use and store, with a convenient packaging that prevents spills. The solution has a long shelf life, maintaining its effectiveness over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.